Yo, it's been about 15 minutes now. Haven't gotten my first order yet. Okay, here we go finally. This one's gonna be McDonald's, $7.50 going 3.5 miles.
Have a good day.
Hello. Can I get a name?
For Michael?
Yes, perfect. There you are.
Awesome, thank you.
Have a good one. Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one's going to be $9 and some change, going just under 6 miles. Just got an additional 7-Eleven. This is going to be an extra $7 and change, going 4.5 miles.
David. Yes.
Is that Daniel?
Yes.
That's mine. Thank you. That guy almost took my order. That would have been bad.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm working on that as we speak.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See your app. There you go. Thank you.
Next order just came in. This is going to be for Starbucks. $8 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. I finally got my next order. This one's going to be for Voodoo Donut. $10 and some change, going 6 miles.
Oh, we need a second. Go ahead. Thank you.
He can sit on my shoulder while I play video games.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you. Meet at door. Why? Just why? We could have had something good here.
Hip shush.
There you are.
Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
You too. Yep, come on.
All right, next up, we've got an order for Muchas Gracias. This one's gonna be $7 and some change, going less than 4 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $8.25, going 3.5 miles.
Morning.
Morning.
What's the number?
D99.
Here you go. They're together.
Gotcha.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'll take this one. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $19.75, going just under 9 miles, 2 items. Kind of high on the mileage, but should be worth it. Pretty sure it does this. Easy money.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Okay, good enough for me. Bit of a wait answering the door there. Still a really good order. I'm willing to wait a little bit. All right, next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $10 and some change, going 6 miles, 3 items.
They were here like a month ago. We're seeing it like right here.
Excuse me, the last time, I promise. I feel like I keep getting in your way. Next order up is a Popeyes. This one's gonna be $10, going about 4 miles.
Yeah.
So whatever pays better. I just,
Oh yeah, take it.
yeah, it's the way to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Yes.
Only
Thank
one
you.
sandwich? Only one sandwich? Spicy?
Free side, yeah. All right, that took way, way, way too long. Oh, of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. No problem. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I came back to my spot when I was close to home. I was gonna call it anyways, but I guess I got distracted, so I ended up driving over here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 11:51. Current total is 105. And I believe I still have one Uber tip yet to come in, so close to 110 if I get the full pay for it, because I did have to make a substitution on one of their drinks. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.